If you want to check the news on chess.com, this quick guide will show you exactly where to go and what to click. It's a simple process, but if you're new to chess.com, it can be easy to miss. So in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to open the news section and use the filters to find the latest updates faster. If this video helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open chess.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the site, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several icons there, and the one you need is the community icon. This is the icon with 3 people on it. Hover your mouse over that community icon to open the pop-up menu. As soon as the menu appears, you'll see a list of community-related options. From that menu, click on News. This will take you directly to the chess.com news page, where you can browse the latest updates, announcements, articles, and community posts. If you are looking for recent chess stories, major tournaments, site updates, or featured content, this is the place to check. Once you're on the news page, you may notice a sidebar on the right side of the screen. This is useful if you want to narrow down what you're seeing. You can use it to filter by categories, such as Chess Tournaments Calendar or chess.com News. That means if you only want tournament-related updates, you can focus on those, and if you want general site news, you can switch to that category instead. Using the filters can save you time, especially if you follow specific kinds of chess content. Instead of scrolling through everything, you can quickly jump to the type of news you care about most. That makes it much easier to stay updated with what's happening across the chess.com community. And that's really all there is to it. Hover over Community, click News, and then use the right-hand filters if you want to narrow things down further. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you learn how to check the news on chess.com, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more chess.com walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.